Welcome to the another video of this RxJS tutorial series. In the last video, we have seen how to work with the operators and what is the marble diagrams. Okay, so in this video, we are going to start our operators journey with the count operator. So the count operator is coming from the mathematical category. So let's see the marble diagram for the count operator. So count operator tells how many values are emitted from the source, okay, when it completes. So on the top we have our observable which produce the value a, b and c, and after that it will complete. So count operator takes the all value and then it return the number of element that observable having. Okay, so let's see the syntax for this count operator. So count is a function which is generic function, okay, and it takes the predicate which is optional. So if we don't provide the predicate, it will give simply the count, how many operator, and that predicate define we can what value to be selected in the count. Okay, so if I want to select the value as a prime number or even number, so we can do by using this predicate. Okay, so this predicate takes three argument. First argument is a value which is actual value is produced by the observable source observable. Index is zero base indexed. This is the index of the value from source, and last is actual source. Okay, so source observable, actual source observable, and this predicate return if return true, so that value will taken in the count. Okay, so let's understand the count operator using the example. So we are doing some simple tasks, just like creating the observable by using the range or range function and then apply the count operator on it. Okay, so let's import from our count operator from rxjs slash operators namespace, and then let's import the range operator from rxjs library, and then let's create the source from range 1 to 100. Okay, now apply the count operator by using the pipe function. Okay, so pipe inside that count. Okay, I'm not giving any argument. I'm just counting the value, what how many values this range operator will get produced. Okay, so let's save it. Let's subscribe the source. Okay, now I'm just simply logging the value on console. Okay, so I'm simply logging the value on the console, so we can see the count is 100. The range function producing values from 1 to 100, and then we are piping the count operator, and this count operator producing again observable which produce only a single value which is 100, that is the count. Okay, so we haven't seen the predicate option here, which is the function, and takes the argument as a value index and itself a source. Let's count only a even value. Okay, so I'm giving here the function, I'm taking as a first argument as a value. Okay, and then return if x modulo 2 equals to 0. Whatever values come from this observable is modulo 2 is 0, then this value should be included. Okay, so let's save it, and we can see here. Okay, so let's save it. We can see the 50 is printing, means the only 50 values suffice this criteria. Okay, so let's get the another argument as an index, which is index of value of whatever the value is producing from this range function. Okay, so let's log the value and index console dot log, and I'm using here the interpolation of value colon dollar x, which is our value, and the index colon dollar, and then here the index. Okay, so let's save it. We can see all 100 values are print on the console, and only those values are included in the count which are suffice the condition here. Okay, so in this way we can use the count operator. I hope you learn something from this video. Thanks for watching.